Saranya Kaliappen and I am from LinkedIn University College. Today I am going to discuss about an organization that I believe is using entrepreneurial marketing. Before that, I would like to define what is entrepreneurial marketing. According to Stokes in 2000, the main thrust of entrepreneurial marketing is an emphasize adapting marketing to forms that are appropriate to small and medium-sized enterprises, acknowledging the likely pivotal role of the entrepreneur in any marketing activities. Which means entrepreneurial marketing is mainly for the organizations that is huge and they're using different types of strategies, such as they have online marketing, they have digital marketing and so on. So the organization that I'm going to discuss today is Domino's Pizza. Domino's Pizza was founded in 1960 and expands its business throughout so many countries. Domino's Pizza is famous for their different types of flavors and their taste of pizza. The first thing that we are going to discuss today is how microenvironment affects Domino's Pizza's organization. Firstly, customers. Different people have different tastes and expectations. Domino's Pizza facing struggles in satisfying customers' expectations because every customer have different taste and they are expecting different services from their manufacturers. Like example, some will be expecting fast delivery and some will be expecting the taste of the pizza should be good, and the kids will be expecting the pizza should be crunched enough, and so on. So customers are impacting the Domino's Pizza in a huge way. The next factor will be competitors. As we all know, competitors plays an important role in an organization. Mainly, each competitor have weaknesses and even strengths. As a food manufacturer, Domino's Pizza should know what is the weakness of their competitors, because nowadays there are a lot of pizza organizations in our market, such as Pizza Hut, Pizza King and so on. The next thing that we are going to discuss today is how macro-environment affects Domino's Pizzas. As there are many factors in macro-environment, we are going to discuss about the main two forces, which is technological forces and demographic forces. When it comes to technological forces, this is a technology world where everything is in fingertips. Domino's Pizza is still following and upgrading its system to follow up with all the latest technological ideas in market, and they are trying to cope up with all the technology, new technologies to satisfy their customers in every way of their life. The next thing will be demographic forces. When it comes to demographics, there are many types of customers in every age group. Domino's Pizza faces struggles in satisfying their each and every customers because age group is the main problem in demographic forces. Young kids will be expecting more cheese in their pizzas and more crunch in their pizzas, whereby the older people will be expecting healthier pizzas to enjoy their pizzas. The following are the entrepreneurial activities of Domino's Pizzas. Firstly, digital marketing. Domino's Pizza is famous for online ordering. They have their own website so that we can browse their promotions and order our favorite pizzas just by on one click. We can order our favorite pizzas just by staying at home in their mobile apps, and they have their special GPS tracker system to track our place. This marketing system helps Domino's Pizzas to reach their customers easily. They have their advertisements to be telecasted in TVs for those who are not using internet, and those customers will easily get to know about their new promotions. The next entrepreneurial activity will be social media marketing. Domino's Pizza uses social media platform to promote their new items that are new to markets. Their social media is such as official Facebook page, official Instagram page and Twitter and so on. They use this social media to contact with their customers by getting their feedbacks. We can get the live feedbacks from all their customers that have been ordered in Domino's Pizzas. With those entrepreneurial activities, Domino's Pizzas that can improve their sales by recommending the previous orders of their customers. This will help their customers to make a quick choice. Like example, if a customer has ordered regular cheese topping pizzas previously, they can recommend them when they are ordering another time. This will save the customer's time, and also the customer will feel satisfied about the service from their online ordering systems. That's all from me today. Thank you.